Gather them up. I have hate. Please keep me alive. Alright. Once again, focus more on the knight to start. I have hate. Please get off of me. Remove yellow. Apply purple. Apply Spellforge. We do not have the damage to skip, so go ahead and even out damage after the knight jumps. Stop attacking the knight, focus the warrior, focus the warrior. You are tethered, you are going to small, no tethers to big, knock back from the center of the arena. Tethers to small, no tethers to big, knock back to the center of the arena, there is a big under the warrior. If you drop first, go to a bomb that just exploded. And go ahead and kill both. Raid wide, mitigate? Never mind. Alright. Gunner to mid, soldier to wall. I just realized I put my pot instead of dicing. Oh well. First up is Fire Frogs. We are going north to A. When you're open hole to the gunner in mid. Now to a turret on the wall. Back on the bosses. Double tank buster followed by double raid wide. More love on the soldier. And kill both. Reflectors to your spot. Slimes north, golem south. Focus on the northwest ward near 1 first. Burn down the aura spheres, burn down the northwest ward. Respect coat of arms. Respect coat of arms. Ignore the spheres, focus the wards. Watch out for the spheres, though. Don't let their pulses kill you. Alright, perfect. There are a couple dead. Please get them up.